What an incredible day at the Antique Craftsman Showcase. Guests from across North Carolina filled the shop, past customers, new faces, families, collectors, and fellow history enthusiasts, all here to celebrate the art of restoration and the people who keep it alive.
We lived in the area for 15 years or so and we had damaged an old music cabinet and brought it here many years ago. And we just lived in the area, so we just drove by and saw the sign.
So you knew about us.
Yeah.
From the moment the doors opened, the air was filled with conversation, curiosity, and admiration for craftsmanship in its truest form.
I love the open house because I've never been back in to see everything. So this is the first time getting through everything.
Mumford Restoration's second annual Antique Craftsman Showcase brought together artisans specializing in the preservation of wood, upholstery, fine metals, art, books, and more. Visitors had the rare chance to see history up close, from a 19th century chainmail suit of armor and a restored Bechstein upright piano to a 1905 Polyphon music box and heirlooms of every kind.
Oh, they can fix everything. There's that lamp with the oyster shell. There's the brass trim. So everything I'm seeing, I know that you all can do, and I'm pretty excited now. I can't figure out where to start.
Throughout the afternoon, guests talked one-on-one with the artisans, learning how they began their craft, what inspires their work, and the meticulous processes behind each restoration.
I inherited a lot of old things.
Yeah.
And so I'm trying to keep the better ones and make them part of the family. So I'm happy to have you guys.
The showcase wasn't just about restored pieces, it was also about connection. People discovered how much dedication and knowledge it takes to preserve heirlooms.
When we moved to Morrisville from Boston, the movers ruined furniture to the tune of $3,700 worth of destruction. These were special pieces, including a 300-year-old chair.
Oh, yes.
And someone said, "See Mumford."
And we did.
You folks were able to restore beautifully those pieces.
Well, thank you. We love you guys.
At the center of the day's program, Bernard introduced the Sentimental Restoration Guild, an apprenticeship program born from a simple but powerful aspiration to pass down the knowledge, patience, and artistry that time-honored restoration requires.
Grammy passed away back in the spring of this year, and so we're taking some of Grammy's pieces and we brought them here to Mumford so that they can help us bring them back to their original luster and grandeur, and so that we can enjoy them in our home. And we're really excited. We came here today to this showcase, and we were secretly sort of hoping that we'd get to see the stuff here, and we did. So we're super excited that we got to see Grammy's furniture.
To everyone who joined us, thank you. Your curiosity, your conversations, and your appreciation for craftsmanship made this event unforgettable. Together, we celebrated the art of restoration, the patience, precision, and heart that breathe new life into pieces of our shared history. We can't wait to welcome you back next year to continue this tradition, keeping the past alive, one restored piece at a time.